Good morning. It's Michelle Densmore with Lucky 13 Fitness in Burlington, Massachusetts. This morning, I'm coming to you from my own kitchen to talk about what you should eat for breakfast. Talking about breakfast, eating breakfast in the first place, is one of the most common questions and topics that I talk about in coaching with my clients. People have a hard time getting started on the right foot in the morning, getting a nutritious meal under their belt when they wake up. Now, we could talk all day about reasons why people don't eat breakfast. They're not hungry, they don't have time, they'd rather grab something on the go. But there really are so many good, nutritious breakfast options that you can make at home really quickly. And I'm going to share with you a couple of my favorites. Now, they all fall under the category of what I call real food, meaning the foods that I choose to eat and that I recommend my clients eat are wholesome, very close to the source where they originated, and they're not highly processed, if processed at all. So I'm gonna start with my go-to breakfast, what I eat every single day, which is good old eggs. So we get organic eggs that are free range. I usually make a couple of scrambled eggs, and I make them with pasture-raised butter, a little pasture-raised butter in the pan, a couple of eggs, and I throw in some organic spinach into that. So I get my spinach and my eggs. You can add anything you want. You can do onions, peppers. Really, I tell people, use what's left over in your fridge of veggies, chop that up really finely, throw that in, make an omelet. That really can cook in 5 minutes while you're gathering your work items together. And then once those eggs are done, I usually put a little hot sauce on and throw half of an avocado on there. Very good, healthy fats. Avocados are so nutritious, and they're very, very tasty. So that's one of my go-to breakfasts, is eggs with veggies and an avocado. When I am going to work out first thing in the morning and I want some sugar, or I'm on the go and I need something more portable, I go for a piece of fruit, usually a banana, perhaps an apple. You know, they have good amounts of fruit as a pre-workout snack, and I opt for my favorite almond butter. You can go with peanut butter. Peanuts are not a nut, so they don't have the good benefits that nuts do. I like almond butter, cashew butter are my two favorites. Sunflower seed butter you can also do as well. So a piece of fruit and a nut butter, or a handful of regular nuts if you don't have the nut butter option available. And then one of the last things that I really like and advise for people is oatmeal. Now, we're not getting the Quaker instant oats with the little bits of dried fruit in there and all that added sugar. These are, if you can see, steel cut oats. So they do not look like the oatmeal that you're used to. They're actually little bits and grains. These take a little bit of ahead of time preparation. These cook super slow. But what I like about the steel cut oats is that you can cook them in a crock pot or cook them on the stovetop and cook a whole bunch of servings. So do it with your meal planning on a Sunday perhaps, or cook them on one evening for the next few mornings. And you have that oatmeal ready to heat up the next morning when you're ready to go. And you can add your own toppings to this. Rather than buy that oatmeal that has all the added sugars and crap in it, add some of your own flavors. I love cinnamon. Cinnamon is so nutritious. It's awesome, and it adds a lot of good flavor. You can also throw some fresh berries on there, whatever you choose. So oatmeal is really, really nutritious. It'll keep you full, and it also has room to play with to add flavors that you like. So those are my top 3 breakfast suggestions. I have so many more recipes, and I will post a link in the comments section below where you can download some of my favorite recipes. They're all healthy, they're all nutritious, and they're all made up of whole real foods that are minimally or processed or not processed at all. I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea and sparks some creativity for what your own breakfast options can be. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. If you like this video, hit that like button and share with family and friends who might be in lookout for their own breakfast ideas. I hope you have a wonderful day. See ya.